Okay, let's see what you have done here in the YouTube and who are in the leaderboard and etc. I think naming the parts now you know it's very well. Okay, let's do this very quickly. Code inside the block. Make up use this to zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Code inside block when the microbit is turned on start. Code this will logo button press. Run in code button B pressed. So the undo and repeat actions, undo, redo. Rename your project. Simulator which runs the program. Connected then at the download karne ka code deka. All these are here. Forever. Button A press karam run button A press maybe. Okay. So and you can see the leaderboard when you like go there. Okay. So okay, let's see the leaderboard and you can see Randupa's name in number 1, Randupa's name in number 2, number 3. Okay, right. That is your first activity. The second activity is random wheel task. Random wheel task is so we have done random wheel task last day. That is the second activity. Let's do the random wheel task today also. Q&A related to Arduino but we need to do this one. Naming the microbit board. USB connector is here. LEDs, 25 LEDs are here. Reset button. Processor is here. Battery socket is here. Sensors. So different sensors are here. Okay, can you tell me which is alcohol sensor? Have you discovered sensors can they will detect automatically when things happen, this sensor can detect and emit a signal. The alcohol තිබ්බොත් මේ alcohol sensor එකට detect කරන්න පුළුවන්.
Sir, what to do in that activity? Drag and drop it.
You need to like drag and drop that. Drag and drop කරන්න ඕනේ activity එකට. අපි හිතමු alcohol sensor එක මේක නම් alcohol sensor එක ළඟට මේක drag drop කරන්න. Drag and drop.
Okay.
Understood? Finish the activity soon. I will let you share the screen then. Okay, what is this second one? This one is? What is this one? Hello? Yes, what is this one?
Sensor? Ultrasonic sensor.
Ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic. sorry. හරි. එතකොට මෙතනට LDR හරි. මේ තුන්වෙනි එක මොකද්ද? third one. Okay, fourth one, make fifth one. පස්වෙනි එක.
It's the
gas sensor.
Gas sensor. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ තියෙනවා
Gyroscope sensor.
gyroscope එක chip එකක් නේ
Yes.
gyroscope එක. ඊට පස්සේ තියෙනවා
Rain sensor.
rain sensor.
rain sensor. Proximity, IR proximity. So proximity. So what are they? Yes. Photo diode.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
It's when I searched, it showed the same results for IR proximity and for proximity
Yeah,
sensor.
mostly same. Make up PIR, and there's another PIR.
This one, sir, the round one, the last one.
Yes, last one is also PIR. They come PIR. එතකොට sensor hat එකක් මෙතන තියෙන උඩට ගහන එකක්. It's called sensor hat. Then
I think one of this IR proximity must be the one near the PIR sensor, the last one.
IR optical sensor. This one, right? IR optical sensor. Photodiodes. Which one is photodiode? Which one is proximity?
This one.
Which? Photodiode.
This one. Where the
1, 2, 3. Pidiwalta ke?
3.
3.
This one.
Or 2. So what you need to do, මේ වගේ වෙලාවට search කරන්න පුතේ. Like if you have something unclear, just search. So I just give you this self-facing activity. තනියෙන් මේක ඉගෙන ගන්න දුන්නේ. Photodiode. Photodiode. Here. This one is the photodiode. Photodiode කියන ආලෝකයට සංවේදී diode එකක්. ආලෝකයට සංවේදී diode එකක් මෙතන තියෙන photodiode. Okay. Then you have IR proximity and proximity. So this seems IR proximity, this seems proximity. Oh, IR එකක් යනවා වගේ පේන්නේ මේක තමයි. So let's search for that also. IR proximity sensor. IR වලින් දුර මනින්න අපි ගන්න එක. Okay, you can see this sender receiver both තියෙන එකනේ. Sender receiver තියෙන මේක අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන්. IR proximity sensor එකට. Here, correct, right? Proximity එකට මේක ගන්නත් පුළුවන්, උඩ එක ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. Optical sense එකට කොහොමද?
Just have trouble with that.
Sorry?
I just have trouble with those two.
Let's search for that. IR optical sense එකට ගන්න වෙන්නේ උඩ එකනේ, ඒක හරිනේ. ඒකේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. ඒකේ ගැටලුවක් නෑනේ IR optical. This one has the problem, right? Proximity sensor. Yeah, same ne. Proximity sensor එකට ඒක තමයි ගන්න. This one. Okay, our basically guesses are correct. Now let's check this. You can submit the answers, finish it. Check my answers. Oh, that's the answers.
No, it's in the tube. There is another was for.
Here, correct. You can see USB connect correct ne. Green color again correct now. Proximity එකේ වඩා අවුලක් තියෙනවා. There's a problem in the proximity. IR proximity is correct, but when you drag and drop, put to the wrong place. Anyway, IR proximity correct, right? Correct now. So these are sensors, different sensors. Me sensors පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ alcohol sensors, alcohol තියනවාද කියලා detect කරන්න. Ultrasonic sensors, distance sensor එක කියලා කියන එකෙන් දුර detect කරන්න. Distance ඕන ලියා ගන්න. Ultrasonic sensor එකෙන් කරන්නේ distance එක දුර. IR optical sensors. IR optical sensors අපි පාවිච්චි කරන ගොඩක් line followers එහෙම හදන්න අහලා තියෙනවා. Line follower කියලා. Robots line follower robots. මෙන්න මේ වගේ line follower robot එකකට අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ IR optical sensors. IR optical sensor එකක් තමයි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ. හරි මේ තියෙන. You can see here. It's using IR sensors. This is what? This is the sensor that you're using. මොකද මේක IR එකෙන් අපි කරන්නේ පුතේ වැදිලා එන්න යන කාලය. Right? Reflected rays will be measured from the IR. There is a transmitter and receiver. You have to send the signal and get the signal. So the reflection it will detect. Okay. මේ IR proximity එකත් okay. ඊළඟට තියෙනවා LDR sensors. LDR sensors කියලා කියන්නේ light dependent resistors. LDR, light dependent resistors කියන ආලෝක සංවේදී ප්‍රතිරෝධක. Light dependent resistor කියන ආලෝක සංවේදී ප්‍රතිරෝධක. මෙන්න මේ වගේ ආලෝකයේ තියෙද්දි මේ ප්‍රතිරෝධකය, so the resistance will be low. When light presence, resistance is low. ආලෝකයේ තියෙද්දි resistance එක අඩුයි. ඒතකොට නිකන් switch එකක් වගේ මේක. current එක
Can we call it photoresistor?
Yeah, photoresistor කියලා කියන්නේ. Photo කියලා කියන්නේ light කියන එකම තමයි. When light is there, the resistance is low, so it will allow the electricity to pass. Resistance එක අඩුයි කියන්නේ ප්‍රතිරෝධය අඩුයි කියලා කියන්නේ. හරි? විදුලිය යන්න දෙනවා. Light is there. ආලෝකයේ තියෙද්දි විදුලියට යන්න දෙනවා. When light is there, it will allow electricity to pass. ඒක switch එකක් වගේ. Light එක තියෙද්දි තමයි යන්න දෙන්නේ. Light එක නැති වුණ හැටිය විදුලිය යන එක නවතිනවා. Light එක තියෙද්දි විදුලිය යනවා. Light එක නැති වුණ හැටිය විදුලිය යන එක නවතිනවා. So that is what this sensor does. Right? So you can use this with microbit. Microbit එකත් ඕනනම් use කරන්න පුළුවන්. Microbit එකත් එක්ක අපි එකක් හදලත් බලමු. Let's create one using that. Very simple microbit circuit using this. Okay, I will give you a sample project. Let's read this, right? So I need very simple one. Let's use this. You can use walkbee.com for this, and then use a microbit board. Walkbee වල microbit තියනවාද? If not, let's use Tinkercad. Let's use Tinkercad. Walkbee වල ඉන්නේ නැහැ. Project එක ගන්නකොට Tinkercad එකකින් ගන්න එක ලේසියි. Let's use Tinkercad. Tinkercad වල login ගිහිල්ලා you can use personal accounts. Login using Gmail. Get the Gmail. Tinkercad building for let's create a new circuit. Create gear circuit can select create a circuit. From the circuits, let's create Microbit. And you can see the wiring diagram. This is the photoresistor or light LDR. You can get LDR with the search current LD. Light dependent on the photoresistor. You can see here photodiode is there. Resistor is here. You can use a photoresistor. Okay, try this very quickly. You can try Karanameka. Let me explain the process. Now this is connected like photoresistor. Make us normal resistor. Photoresistor connect කරලා තියෙනවා. You can see this 3 volt is to the plus. ඊට පස්සේ ඒකේ අනිත් එක ground 0th pin එකට connect කරලා තියෙනවා. It's connected to the 0th pin, and there is another resistor which is grounded. Okay, this is the code. Very simple, right? So when on button I press, show the number of the analog reading of the pin. Analog reading එක pin එක පෙන්නන්නයි තියෙන්නේ, right? So you can use the make code to do this, but make code, you know, the problem is here. We need resistor. Okay, let's keep this aside, like here. How to use the okay. So let's go to the Tinkercad. So I'm not really familiar with this, like getting the sensors here. I'm not really familiar with this. But anyway, let's do it here. It's easy. The photoresistor is connected. Photoresistor terminal 1 is connected to terminal 1 එක connect කරලා තියෙන මොකටද? In the photoresistor, you can see how terminal 1 is connected to 3 volt, terminal 2 is 0, then ground is connected to this, and then terminal the 0th pin is also connected to the resistor. So let's do that. Let's connect this to 3 volt. Okay. This you need to connect to pin number 0. That is what we are going to read now. 0. Normal resistor. Just connect it to this pin and ground it. And what you are going to read is, you are going to read the analog here. This one is grounded. Then make a pin 0 එක තමයි මම ground කරේ. හරි. ඒතකොට ඒකම තමයි මෙතනින් connect වෙන්නේ. This is 3 volt pin. So what you need to do is on button A press analog read pin 0. Pin 0 read kala balanna තියෙනවා. Okay, let's go to the coding. On button A pressed. Let's see, let's input. On button A pressed. Analog read pin 0. You need to print it using this. You can print show number and drop read this. Can you show number? So here show number and drop read pin 0. Okay, now let's this one is not needed on my component forever component. On button A press එක තිබ්බම ඇති. හරි. On button A press show number digital නෙමෙයි analog read. So it's my mistake. මොකද මෙතන වෙනස් වෙනවනේ. See input read analog pin 0, right? Okay, so let's simulate. When I click on this photoresistor, yes, my reading comes. Show again when on show number. So let's click on this and I'm increasing this. When button A pressed, right? You can see it is 7. 7 කියලා තමයි වැටෙන්නේ. මම දැන් චුට්ටක් දානවා මේ පැත්තට. Now you can see it is 396. තව පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩි කරමු. 601601. තව චුට්ටක් වැඩි කරමු. 679. Okay, what is happening there? 679. මොකද්ද මේ read කරන්නේ? මේ read කරන්නේ මේ 3 volt මෙයාගෙන් යද්දි 3 volt සහ 0. 0 pin එකෙන් මේකේ එන resistance එක. So that's what it's read. You can try this. When you increase this, what will happen? And also try to create a small light sensitive circuit using this as a homework. ගෙදර වැඩ විදිහට try කරන්න light sensitive make a LDR එකක් use කරලා use LDR. You can write this as a question. Use LDR and create a lamp which can be turned on when turned on at night. And turn off at daytime based on the presence of light. ආලෝකයේ presence එක ආලෝකයේ තිබෙන නැති කියන ස්වභාවය අනුව automatically උදේට on වෙන්නත් රැට on වෙන්නත් උදේට off වෙන්න. රැට on වෙන්නත් උදේට off වෙන්න. මේක හදන්න. Okay. Okay, Bhuti, I will stop with that. Then good night. See you all next week. Please write down this question. Try to do this as a homework.
Okay.